Let me pick him up. Come here, 25. Come here. All right, you ready? All right. I love being a shepherd at CLT. Oh man, I don't know. My name is TJ. I'm a shepherd here at CLT. Look at this. Let's get over here. Steven. It just starts off with a love for farm animals, and then growing that business started off with small parties and whatnot, and then I realized that they can do some damage on some fields, and then, they'll take off the side of your house if you're not careful. Come on, girlie. So I decided if I could go out to companies and reach out and see if I could do some good, help them out with some tough areas like behind me, then, more the merrier. With all the land and the fourth runway expansion out here, what better than, my little guys to come help do it. It's pretty great. I love that every day it's exactly the same. Me and my goats out here.
How happy were you when you got the job?
Oh, I was happy. My goats were happy. But, not everybody can be happy. My name's TJ. I'm a shepherd, and this is my CLT.